Cam's Fanta selection. Look at it. Terrible. That's why he's always buzzing. Oh, it's another day, Friday. I'm ready to get on it. Right, that's everything, I believe. Is it? Yeah, got that at level. Oh, righty. Good morning, Cam. How are we doing? Hey. So it's gone off all right. I thought there was a bit of rain yesterday, or last night, should I say? Obviously not. I still can't believe that pile of stone literally has not gone down at all. We're about so we're getting to about halfway now. It's going really cracking with the build now. I've already got my line up. I will check it because obviously I left my line up overnight, just in case it's moved or whatever. Cam's going to carry on with the section down, you know, with the connection down the bottom. There is a site meeting, I believe, today between Pat and project manager bloke, because obviously that one's a bit leany, so might be sorting them out, and even that end as well. I don't know yet. So we're just going to really just we're not going to connect onto it too much. Cam's just going to step it back, so he's just going to sort of do what I've done on the end there basically, but a little bit further on, just so we can start getting the majority of the wall up. Like I say, this is all down, so just quickly just check everything. So when I leave my line up, always check it all, always make sure we're ding dang doing. She's lovely. I'm leveling the brick here, that won't be handy. So yeah, so with this one, I'll quickly show you. What we're doing is basically, it's just touching that left, so it's just going into the bank slightly, you know what I mean, not sort of too much. If you've got a slight batter, it's not the end of the world, as long as it's battering in and not out. Beautiful. So I got this little bit up yesterday, wang that big one in, got the back up, so yeah, lovely. So once it gets to a nice flat thing like this, every sort of, well, probably this height actually, every bit of this height, we're basically putting a dry course in. So I've checked the sides. Let's just quickly actually check the line itself. So I'll just use this stone a minute, make sure he's all right. Yeah, he's pretty much just under. So yeah, he's spot on that. That's nice. Check both ends. So he's just above that stone, that one, so I'll just eye it in against it. Nice, yeah, that's all right. So obviously you can see that's level with the line as well. Good little thing to look at is actually, you know, look at the line and then look at the level. So you can obviously look to the left of level, same distance, and then look to the right. You could even measure off the level if you wanted to be perfect, but it's all right. We can have a bit of a, it's a good thing about stone, as long as the majority is coursed. If you're out a little bit on the, you know, on the level coursing, it's not like bricks, do you know what I mean? You can get away with a bit more. Righty, let's go. Where's my trowel? Where is my trowel? I've already got it out. There you go, look. The old school bucket trowel. And no, yeah, I don't bother. When I first got it, I always cleaned it off, but now I don't. I like a rustic. I think that was a silver line, this one. Nice and cheap. I think it cost me £6 from like a local DIY store. So this one's dry up to that point, so this one can, with all the little stones, we're using mortar. Mortar. Oh, let's get a nice thin one in there. Suppose you could go in like that. Go in like that. Oh, let's get rid of some of these small ones. Beauty. You see how our local stone comes. This is as dug stone from the quarry. It's a forest marble, but you know, so you know, all the small bits you can pick up and just, you know, place straight into the wall like, but all this big stuff, you got a shape. Never had it this thin, but they're all small. I want some big. He's nice. He's nice. Oh. The return of the glass stone. Pardon? What are you saying, Cam? I don't know. You're right, mate. Yeah. It's Friday, Cam. You know me happy on a Friday. I don't know. Oh, look at him. I wonder what that is. That's stone. Oh. You gotta watch out for this mud and clay. Watch out for that mud and clay. Get a load of these babies dressed up. Oh, get myself prepped. And then it is like laying bricks. After you've done a lot of dressing, like, it's just so much easier. Get a lovely big pile, dress stone, duff, 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 duff. Smash it in. Happy days. Oh. Nice, look at this beast. Oh. Oh, he's going in somewhere. Nice in the middle of the wall, actually, that one would. Problem with this stone as well, what you got is oh my god, that reason exactly. If you can to dress it up basically of how it's splitting is a bitch. See if I can get some big ones. You just can't use these big ones, like. Look at that, easy as that. Didn't even hit it hard. So that's nice, that. But that's always what you end up with. Big slivers. He's gonna go there, look. It's like sand. Give him a tap there, hopefully get 2/3 of her. Nice. This is going well. But that's basically all you can do with the big ones. You can't. So then this one looks like a single. Oh, he's got loads of lumps on him, so don't think I could get any more out of that. Make a nice step in. Oh, make a nice step. Another nice through stone. Use that as the face. You know, you could maybe use that, but it's a nice deep ones in. So that's the problem there. That's all right. Take that layer off. Should be good. Only use basic tools for this sort of stuff anyway. They all work the same. I like using my brick hammer as well, because it's sometimes you can obviously hit it too hard. Hey. Oh, I want to get him in. He's a beast. Same again though, look. Just all these cracks. You know, they're alright, like, but they can easily blow once they're in the wall, and over time, that's another lovely step. Yeah. Come on now, there's got to be some good stuff in here somewhere. It's all good stuff, it's all usable. It's just all thin. Look at that, stone of the day. For straight out of the ground quarried stone, like, it is good. Well, it's better than some of the stuff I come across. Oh, I can see one. He's saying, come to me. Look at it. Get him. Ho, ho, ho. Chips and rice tonight. Chips and rice. Get the sack out of him. Keep going through that, and oh look at that, sun's coming out. Lovely jubbly. Right, Cam, coffee time, innit? Coffee time. Coffee time, get a load of that stone over. Bit more dressing, and get this baby up. Get this line up, baby. Righty, let's crack on.